If you're hunting for the best budget chainsaws that deliver power and performance without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Let's explore the top 5 affordable chainsaws perfect for tackling any job. First up, the DeWalt DCCS 620B Compact Chainsaw, a lightweight cordless beast powered by a 20V battery, ideal for quick, efficient cutting. Next, we have the Greenworks 12-inch 40V cordless chainsaw, designed for eco-conscious users who need a reliable tool for yard work. For heavier tasks, the Works WG 303.1 power chainsaw features a powerful 14.5 amp motor and a 16-inch bar, making it a great choice for demanding jobs. If you're after a low-maintenance option, the Earthwise CS3016 electric corded chainsaw is perfect for trimming branches and general home use. Finally, the Craftsman CMX-GS Sama 426S2 cycle chainsaw stands out, with its gas-powered performance, perfect for felling trees and heavy-duty cutting. Each of these chainsaws offers a unique balance of affordability, power, and ease of use, ensuring there's something for everyone. Don't forget to check the description box and pin comments for links to these products, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.